In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls for kids on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up our Play Store. From here, click onto our account or user profile, top right hand corner of the page. Navigate and click into settings. From here, click onto family, and then you'll see parental controls is turned off. So go ahead and click into that. Where it says parental controls are off, go ahead and enable it. And now set a PIN, or if you already got a PIN, just re-add the PIN. Once you've done that, go ahead and enable parental controls. And then under here, it will say set content restrictions. So you can set restrictions for each type of content. So for apps and games, you will say allow up to. So if you want to have everything enabled, leave allow all included unrated. But if you want to set PG, just click on the PG, and then it'll say parental controls restrict purchases or downloads from Google Play. Apps and games already installed will still be visible on device, so go understood. So you can set parental controls here for PG, or you can change it to restricted MA15, etc. And you could do the same for films, TV, and also books as well. Then from here, just simply close, go back, and then that's going to be set. Make sure to set a PIN that is not going to be easy for kids to guess. So create a strong 4-digit PIN that they don't know.